Cell structure and function. All of us have seen the plant like rose, marigold, sunflower, cabbage, mushroom, mango tree, oak tree, coconut tree, banana tree, ferns, and many other. We also know the animal like dog, cat, man, cow, horse, camel, lion, elephant, mosquito, housefly, sparrow, fish, starfish, butterfly, sea anemone, centipede, spider, grasshopper, and many other. In fact, there is a large variety of organisms around us. They have different shapes and size. Their food are also different in spite of great variation in the size, shape, food, habitat, etc. All the living organisms have a basic similarity among them. They are made up of tiny units called cells. Thus, in biology, cells are the structural and functional unit of life. In order of understanding the structure and functioning an organism, we should know the structure of cell and function of the various part of the cell. In this chapter, we will study the basic part of the cell and the role played by this part in the working of cell. Before we go further and study how cell was discovered, we should know the meaning of term cork which was used in the discovery of cell. Cork is a part of the bark of a tree. Cork is a dead plant material. Discovery of cell in 1665, an English scientist named Robert Hooke used a microscope investigate the structure of a thin slice of cork. He observed that the cork had tiny compartments in it. Robert Hooke thought of these compartments as small room and called them cells. From the observation, Robert Hooke concluded that the cork is made of tiny cells. The dead plant cell of cork observed by Robert Hooke were found to be empty. The microscope used by Robert Hooke was primitive. When better microscopes were made, scientists investigated piece of living plant and found that like cork they also had a cell structure. The living plant cell are however not empty like cork cell. They are found in a contain a number of tiny structure. In 1838, a German scientist Schleiden suggests that all the plants are made of cell. A year later, another German scientist Schwann suggested that all animals are made of cell. These observations led to the general cell theory of organism. The cell theory states that the basic unit of structure and function of all living organisms is the cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cell by cell division. The cell have been present in the living organism since the origin of life. The cell were however not studied as observed for thousands of years because most of them extremely small and cannot be seen with naked eye. It was only a microscope having a high magnification power, whereas 17th century of magnify things greatly than cell could be seen in living organism. There are these days microscope can enable to use see object of as small as 1/1,000,000th of meter. Such high magnifying power of microscope have helped the scientists to study the minute detail of cell. We will now study the cell in detail. Cell are the basic unit of life. All the living things are made of from cell. Just as a house is made up of brick, in the same way a living organism is made of cell. Thus cell are the building of part an animal is a baby banyan tree and a bacterium look very different from the another, but they are all made up a tiny cell. Our nose, skin, muscle and bones are made up of cells. The simplest organism like amoeba consists only cell, but a complex organism like that is made up the trillion of cell. We can now define a cell as below. A cell is the smallest unit of life which has a defined structure and perform a specific function. Most of cells are very small which cannot be seen with naked eye. They can be seen only with the help of microscope. The diagram of cell which we see in a book are highly magnified. It is within the cell of our body that all our life activities occur. All living or cell come only from other living cells. Since cells are the living unit, they require energy. The cell obtain their energy by burning food like glucose in a process called respiration. The cell are two main type: animal cell and plant cell. Thought many things are commonly between animal cell and plant cell, but they differ in some way. We will first give the basic part of the cell and then describe the general structure of an animal cell and a plant cell. Part of a cell. Each cell has a number of smaller parts in it. Some of the parts are present in all type of cell, but certain parts are found only in the plant cell. They are not present in animal cell. The important basic part of all the cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria. The parts which are present only in the plant cell are cell wall, chloroplasts and large vacuole. We will now describe all these parts of cell in detail by one. Let us start the cell membrane. Cell membrane. Every cell is covered with a thin sheet of skin which is called cell membrane. The cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. In the other word, membrane encloses the living part of the cell called cytoplasm. In protoplasm, the cell membrane protects the cell, also gives shape to the cell. The cell membrane has tiny pores in it. The cell membrane controls the movement of substance into the cell and out of the cell. The dissolved substance such as food and oxygen can enter into the cell various. The wastage products such as carbon dioxide can go out from the cell through the pores of the cell membrane, and the membrane separates the cell from another, also from the surrounding medium. The cell membrane is a living part of the cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is transparent jelly-like material which is fill the cell between nucleus and cell membrane. Cytoplasm is a kind of chemical factory in the cell. Here new substances are built from material taken into the cell, and energy is released and stored. In fact, most of the chemical reactions which keep the cell alive take place into cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a way of a cell has many tiny structures in it. The various structures present in the cytoplasm of a cell are called organelles. The most prominent organelle is the cytoplasm is the nucleus. In addition of nucleus, cytoplasm of all the cell contains other organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, etc. The cytoplasm of plant cell also contain chloroplasts. We'll study Golgi bodies and rhizobium in higher classes. The cytoplasm and nucleus together make up the protoplasm. Nucleus. Nucleus is a large spherical organelle present in the cell. In animal cell, nucleus lies a center, whereas of plant nucleus may be on a periphery. On the cell nucleus is the largest organelle in the cell. Nucleus can be stained and seen easily with the help of microscope. Nucleus is separated from cytoplasm membrane called nuclear membrane. Nucleus control all the activities of cell. Transmission of characteristics from the parents of the offspring is called inheritance. Nucleus play a role of inheritance. This can be explained as follows. Nucleus contains thread-like structure called chromosomes. Chromosome contains genes. The function of chromosomes is to transfer the characteristics from the parents to the offspring through the genes. The nucleus also contains a tiny round structure called nucleus. We will study the function of nucleus in higher classes. The nucleus containing chromosomes and nucleus is bound by a membrane called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has a tiny pores for the exchange of material with cytoplasm. The red blood cells, however, do not have a nucleus. Before we end the discussion of nucleus, it will be good to say a few words about genes, which are held on the chromosomes present in the nucleus of cell. Gene is unit of inheritance in living organism. Is transferred from a parents of offspring during reproduction and determines and characteristic feature of the thus genes control a transfer hereditary characteristic from parents of offspring. This means that our parents pass on the some of their characteristic feature to us through their genes. It is the genes inherited from our parents which is responsible for the various body feature in other word. It is the genes on the chromosomes which decide all the sort of thing about us, say the color. Father has brown eye. Gene is inherited from our parent, responsible for various body feature. In our other word, it is the genes of the chromosomes which decide all the sort of things about us, say the color of our eyes, the look of our hair, the shape of our nose, our complexion, our appearance, etc. For example, if our father has brown eye, we may also have brown eye, and if our mother has curly hair, then we also inherited curly hair. However, usually the different combination of genes from both the parents result is the different characteristics in offspring. Let us discuss why protoplasm now. All the living matter is a cell called protoplasm. Protoplasm is a liquid substance which is present inside the cell membrane. Protoplasm includes cytoplasm, nucleus and other organelles. Most of the protoplasm is made up of compound of our element carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. It also contain some some of compound present in protoplasm are water, carbohydrate, protein, fats, nucleic acid and mineral salts, a unique combination of elements. The compound provides living nature in protoplasm. Mitochondria are the tiny rod-shaped or spherical organelles which are found in all the cell. Mitochondria provides energy to activities of the cell. The cell is produced by the process of respiration in which food is broken down by the oxygen. Mitochondria use glucose and oxygen to produce energy. Mitochondria are found in large number in the cytoplasm in all the cell wall. The plant cell have a thick cell wall around them. The cell wall is made of tough material called cellulose. The wall gives shape and support of the plant cell. Walls also hold plant cells together and give plant most of the strength. Plant protection against high wind speed, variation in temperature and atmospheric moisture, etc. Since plants are fixed at a place, so they cannot move to protect themselves from the various changes in their surrounding. Thought cell wall present in plant cell provides protection to plants. Please note that cell wall is present only in plant cell. Cell wall is not their animal cell. The cell wall is non-living part of plant cell. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are the green colored organelles present in the cytoplasm site of the cell. The process of food making plant photosynthesis take in a chloroplasts. The green color of chloroplast due to presence of the green pigment and chlorophyll 2 in the chlorophyll 2 can absorb sunlight energy in chloroplast. Carbon dioxide and water combine in the presence of sunlight energy to produce food such as glucose, and these process of food making self photosynthesis. Thus chloroplasts help in the making of food by green plant. Please note the chloroplasts are found only in those plant cell which carry out photosynthesis, so chloroplast will not found in the root or cell of a plant. The organelles contain pigment present in cytoplasm of cell are called plastids. Plastids can be many different colors. The plastid contain green pigment are known as chloroplasts. The green colored plastids present in the cell of leaves provide green color to the leaf. The plastids can also pigment of other color. For example, the red color tomatoes due to presence plastids red pigment in the cytoplasm of its cell. The different color of flower are due to the presence of plastids contain pigment of different color. Large vacuole. Vacuole is a space of the cytoplasm of a cell which is enclosed by a membrane and usually contains substance dissolved in water. A vacuole appears as an empty space under the microscope. The plant cell have a large vacuole. The vacuole is filled with a liquid called cell sap which contains dissolved sugar and salts. The presence of liquid pushes on the outer part of the plant cell, keeping the plant cell firm. The function of vacuole in a cell is to store various substances, including waste product of the cell. Most of the animals do not have vacuole. Some animal cells have vacuole, but they are much smaller than those found in plant cell. For example, amoeba is an animal cell which has very small vacuoles is amoeba. Vacuoles contains food particles, so they are known as a food vacuoles. Structure of cell. A cell consists of jelly-like material enclosed in thin membrane. The jelly-like membrane material which is filled the cell is called cytoplasm, and the thin outer covering of the cell is called cell membrane. The general diagram of animal cell is shown in figure 6. There are many bodies of different shape, size inside cytoplasm. For example, there is large floating body usually in the center of cell, where is called the nucleus. The function of nucleus is control all activities of the cell. Cell division. Cell nucleus contain tiny round structure called nucleus and the fibrous material called chromatin. It also has a nuclear membrane on the outside. Chromatin forms chromosomes. During cell division, these chromosomes transfer characteristics from the parents to the next generations. The cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytoplasm and nucleus taken together, the protoplasm of the cell. Protoplasm is the living material of a cell. There are a number of the small bodies called mitochondria. The function of mitochondria is to carry out respiration for releasing energy from food. Since mitochondria produce energy from food, they are a kind of powerhouse of the cell. The tiny air spaces in the cytoplasm of an animal cell are called vacuoles. The function of a vacuoles in an animal cell is to hold air, water and particle of food. Most of animal cells do not have vacuoles, but some animal cells have several small vacuoles. The cell membrane is a thin sheet of skin all around the cell. The main function of a cell membrane is control the passage of material which go into the cell or go out from the cell. The cell membrane also protects the cell and gives shape to the cell. Cytoplasm is a transparent jelly-like substance. It is a complex solution. Of function of cytoplasm is to carry out all the activities in life process. We will now describe the structure of plant cell. We have just studied that the main part of an animal cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and mitochondria. All these parts are also present in plant cell. In addition of these, the plant cell have 3 more parts in them. These are cell wall, cytoplasts and large vacuoles. These parts make the plant cell different from animal cell. A general diagram of plant cell is given in. A plant cell is consists of a jelly-like cytoplasm enclosed in a thin cell membrane. This is a large floating nucleus in the cytoplasm. The nucleus contains nucleus chromatin. It is surrounded by a nucleus membrane by several mitochondria are also present in the plant cell. Mitochondria present in the plant cell carry out respiration and release energy from food, and the plant cell thick cell wall around the cell membrane. This cell wall is made of material called cellulose. The cell wall protect and the plant cell gives it fixed shape and make it ragged. Even the single-celled organism like bacteria have a cell wall around them. The cell wall is not present in animal cell. The plant cell contains green colored plastids called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are given colored bodies. In the cytoplasm of the plant cell, the cytoplasm make food in green plant. By the process of photosynthesis, chloroplasts are not present in the animal cell. Some plant cell may contain plastids of different colors of plant cell have very large vacuoles. These vacuoles are filled with a cell sap. Cell sap is a solution of sugars, mineral salts. Animal cell either do not contain vacuoles or contain several small vacuoles. These animals do not contain a large vacuoles. Comparison of plant cell and animal cell. We have just studied the plant cell and animal cell, similar in many respects, but they are also different in some respect. We will now give important similarities and differences between plant cell and animal cell. The main similarities between plant cell and animal cell are given below. Plant cell and animal cell has a cell membrane around them. Plant cell as animal cell has a cytoplasm. Plant cell and animal cells is a nucleus. Plant cell and animal cells have a nucleus membrane. Plant and animal cell have mitochondria. The main difference between the cell of animal given below. Plant cell, the plant has a cell wall around it. The photosynthesis plant cell chloroplast in it. Other plant cell has different plastid in them. The plant cell has a large vacuole in it. Animal cell. An animal cell does not have a cell wall around it. Animal cell does not chlorophyll or other plastids. An animal cell has naturally no vacuole. Not some animal cell have small vacuoles. Some various part of a cell colorless and hence difficult to distinguish. So in order to see plant and animal cell with a microscope, they are stained with dyes. The dyes stain the various part of a cell with a different color, due to which of these parts can be seen more easily under the microscope, thus staining structure. Cell dilute iodine solution, methylene blue solution, saffron. Keeping these points in mind, describe how plant animal cell studied with the help of microscope. To study plant and animal cell with a microscope, we can observe the structure of plant and animal laboratory by using a microscope. Let us study and the structure of onion peel cell and human chick cells. Please note the cell of plant animal are extremely small in size, due to which we cannot them see with the naked eyes. We can however see the plant and animal around us because they are made up million of tiny cells joined together. Before we go further and discuss prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, please note the material which make up the nucleus of a cell is called nuclear material. Prokaryotic cell are made of primitive than eukaryotic cell and have a simple structure and nucleus. Of prokaryotic cell is not well organized. There is no nucleus membrane around as nucleus material in the prokaryotic cell. The cell having nuclear material without a nuclear membrane around it are called prokaryotic cell. The nuclear material in a prokaryotic cell is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. In the fact, prokaryotic cell have no real nucleus The organisms made of prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes. All these prokaryotes are simple unicellular organisms. Thus, the simple organism called prokaryotics have no real nucleus in their cell. Prokaryotes and relatively simple organism. Bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotic. Bacterium is a prokaryote because its cell has no real nucleus. The nuclear material in a bacterium cell is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. The nuclear material in a bacteria cell in direct contact with the cytoplasm. Thus, the nucleus of bacterium cell is not organized like nucleus cell. Multicellular organism prokaryotic were probably the first living thing of involved in the earth. The cell having a nuclear material enclosed by the nuclear membrane are called eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell have proper well-organized nucleus. Nuclear material in eukaryotic cell is not in direct contact with cytoplasm. It is separated, and cytoplasm is a nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cell are more advanced than prokaryotic and cell. Amoebius cell is eukaryotic cell because it has proper nucleus bound by a nuclear membrane. The onion peel cell, a chick cell are not eukaryotic cell. The organisms made of eukaryotic cell are called eukaryotes. In other words, the organism possesses in nucleus membrane is called eukaryotic. All the organism, other bacteria, blue-green algae as eukaryotic. For example, and plant, animal, fungi, and protozoa, etc. Eukaryotic. Amoeba eukaryotic because distinct nucleus which is bound by nuclear membrane. A human being, a lion, tiger, dog, cat, bird, rose, plant, neem, tree, and mushroom, etc. are called eukaryotes. We will now discuss the variety of number, shape, size, cell present in living organism. Organisms show variety in cell number, cell shape, and cell size. There are million of living organisms, all which are made of tiny cells. The various organisms, however, differ in the number of cells which make up their body. They differ in the shape of cell in their body, and they also differ in size of cell in their body. Different organisms have different number of cells in their bodies. This is called variety of the number of cell. The cell is a multicellular organism have a different shapes. This is variety of shape of cell. The cell is multicellular organism, different sizes called variety of sizes cell. We will now describe the variety of number of cell shapes and of cell size of cell organism detail. Before we go to the should keep in mind that a million of thousand billion is a thousand million and trillion thousand billion. Variety of number cell. All the living organisms are made of cell, but the number of the cell from the organism to organism. Some organisms are made up of just one cell, while other organisms are made up of a large number of cells. This is called variety in the number of cells depending on the number of cells in the body of an organism is called unicellular or multicellular. The simplest organism have only one cell in their body. Organism which have only one cell are called unicellular organism. One cell is known as called single cell, so the unicellular organism are actually single celled organisms. Some of the example of unicellular organism are Amoeba, Paramecium, Eulena, Gamma, Pyodomonas, and bacteria. The single cell of these organisms behave a complete organism. A unicellular organism can perform all the necessary like function of help on just one cell. Multicellular organisms perform help of many group of specialized cell. For example, Amoeba is a tiny animal which consists of the one on cell. The basic function of a life like taking food, digestion, respiration, movement, response, environment changes, removal of waste, the reproduction, etc. the performed by the single cell of Amoeba. Similar function in multicellular cell or cellular organism are performed by various organs which are made up the many different of cell. Organisms which are made up of many cell, multicellular organism depending on the size of multicellular organism. Organism may be made up of million, billion or trillion the cells joined together. Most of plant and animal around us multicellular organism. For example, a rose plant, a neem tree, a rat, human being, and an elephant are called multicellular. Organisms which are made up of many cells joined together, a big and a tall tree, a huge animal like an elephant, and the body of a human adult has trillion of cells which vary in shapes, the sizes. Different group of cells perform a variety of function. Rat is small organism, various on plant. An elephant is a big organism, so a rat has a smaller number of cells in its body than that of an elephant. The smaller number of cells in rat does not affect the functioning of a rat. In general, we can say the number of cells being less in small organism does not in any way affect functioning of the organism. In fact, even an organism made of million, billion, or trillion cells being its life as a single cell called fertilized egg. The fertilized egg will divides and multiplies, due to which our number of cells increases in the development of the organism proceeds. Variety in shape of cell. There are many types of cell in the bodies of multicellular organisms. These cells are differ in the shape. For example, the shape of nerve cell animal is very different from the shape of a muscle cell. A nerve cell is long branched, whereas a muscle cell is pointed at both ends of a spindle shape. Due to this, nerve cell look very different from a muscle cell. The different shapes of cell were related to their function which they have performed in the body of an animal. For example, nerve cell receive the transmit message between brain and our body. Various muscle bring out movement in our part. Nerve cell or muscle cell are actually specialized animal cell because they perform specific function in bodies of animals. Some of the specialized animal cell of plant cell are shown in figure 13. Cells are different in shapes and size that we can perform different function. We say that the cell are specialized. All the cells show in figure 13 specialized cell. Each one of these cells are adapted to perform some specific example. Some cell protected body parts, some cell help the moving body parts, some cell have sending message from brain to body part, and so on. The body is made of the 20 different type of cell, and each type of cell perform different functions. Some of the example of animal cell are nerve cell, muscle of epithelium cell, the red blood cell, white blood cell, bone cell, and cartilage cell. The shape of cell helps in functioning. For example, nerve cell is long, has wire-like projection coming out of it. The large length of nerve cell makes it carry message over long distance in the body, and the wire and projection of nerve cell help it to make many contacts with other nerve cell of the other. That messages from the brain can be sent all the parts of the body. The nerve cell are long and have projection of that they can make contacts with the many other nerve cell and carry message over long distance brain. And we can say the nerve cell is specially adapted transmitted message. This nerve cell is receive or transfer message. They help to control coordinate the working of different part of the body. Let us take the example of muscle cell. Now muscle cell are specially adapted from movement. This happens as follow. The muscle cell has a specially property that they can contract. When the muscle cell contract, the shorten in length, so the contraction in muscle cell moves the body part, and then the contracted muscle of relax, they expand so that the body parts come back to its origin position. Thus muscle cell bring the movement of this part contracting and relaxing. Epithelial cell rectangular in shape. Epithelial cell from a thin layer of body part protected the cell below them from injury. Red blood cell is spherical. In the red blood cell carry oxygen around the body. White blood cell irregular shape. White blood cell eat up to kill bacteria which enter the blood, have saved us many diseases. We will study more about the animal cell in higher classes. Some of the important plant cell: endomer cell, xylem cell, phloem cell, photosynthesis cell. The endomeral cell form a layer around the plant organ that protect the cell below from injury. Xylem cell are tube-like plant cell having thick, strong wall which are carry water and mineral salt from the root of the plant, and its phloem cell are tube like the plant cell have a thin wall which carry the food made of by leaf to all other part of plant. And photosynthesis cell of plants contain chlorophyll too and prepare food by photosynthesis. The mesophili cell of leaf and photosynthesis thick plant cell. These cells in a leaf of a plant are specially adapted for a making of photosynthesis. All the cells are different shape which we say describe above. The thoughts which are present in bodies multicellular animal and plant, they are not capable independent extensions. We will now describe the shape of amoeba, which is a complete organism itself capable independent extents. The shape of amoeba is a rectangular irregular. Rectangular. In fact, amoeba cell has no fixed shape. Amoeba key cell keep on the changing its shape continuously. The shape of amoeba changes because amoeba make cytoplasm flow in any direction it wants to. Amoeba cell has finger-like projection of varying length producing out of its body, which are called Pseudopodia. Amoeba can reproduce Pseudopodia on any side, pushing the cytoplasm in the side. Pseudopodia appear and disappear with amoeba, make moves or feeds. For example, amoeba moves very slow with the help of Pseudopodia. Amoeba also use for Pseudopodia to catch the food particles for the water it which is lies. Thus amoeba derives two advantages by changing its shape. The changing of shape due to formation Pseudopodia help amoeba in movement in capturing food. We have just studied that amoeba is single cell which can change its shape. The white blood cell present in human blood, another example of single cell which can also change the shape. Its shape. The difference between amoeba cell and white blood cell is while amoeba cell full-fledged organism capable for independent extinctions, white blood cell is merely a cell of human blood which is not full-fledged organism of hence cannot independently exist on inside the blood. Before we describe the variation in the size of cell, we should know the very small unit of measuring length called micrometer. A micrometer is 1 millionth of meter. Let us discuss the size of cell now. Variety of size of cell. The cell are of many different size of cell is living organism which is more small is a millionth of a meter or it may be large as a few centimeters. However, most of the cell are extremely small in size. The hands of cannot be seen which is naked eyes. Most of the cell found in the living organism have a enlarged by using microscope before they can be used. The bacteria cell extremely small by bacteria cell length of 0.1 micrometer to 0.5 micrometer. In fact, bacterium mycoplasma in the smallest cell having the size of only 0.1 micrometer. Even a long cell are so thin that they can see only the microscope. For example, the muscle cell in animal a few centimeters long and the nerve cell are more than a meter long, but they are so thin that they can only be seen in the help of a microscope. Some of the cells are however big and can be seen easily with naked eye. The bird eggs are very large cell. Each egg are of a bird single cell. For example, hen's egg is a single cell. The hen egg is quite big. We can see the single cell called hen egg with a naked eye. The biggest cell is the ostrich egg. The ostrich egg can be as much as 17 centimeter long in the human body. The blood cell are smallest and the nerve cell are the longest. The sizes of some of the common cell given below. We were giving the length of these cells are millimeters as well and microns meters just as a sake of comparison. We have just said the biggest cell in the egg of the ostrich bird. The ostrich egg is actually 170 millimeters long and 130 millimeters wide. So we can say the biggest cell in egg is the egg of ostrich, and it measures 170 mm multiply 130 mm. If we use the unit of centimeter, we can say the ostrich egg measure 17 centimeter multiplied by 13 centimeter. The size of cell has no relation with the size of the body of an animal. Now, elephant is a very big animal, whereas rat is quite small animal. It is not necessary that the cell is elephant be much bigger than those in rat. The size of cell is related from function. For example, the nerve of both elephant and the rat of long branched form the function of transmitted message. Cell, tissue, organ system and organism. First, cell. A cell is the smallest unit of a life which has a definite structure and performs specific function. All the cells of multicellular organism are not similar. They are of many different shapes of sizes. Most of the cells are specialized or to perform a particular function. They are called specialized cell. For example, in animal muscle cell are specialized to contract so that they can bring about movement in body parts. In plant, photosynthetic cell are called specialized of carry out photosynthesis and make food. There are many types of specialized cell in animal and plant which perform different function. Tissue. Tissue is a multicellular organism. It is made of a million of cells. The cell is a multicellular organism. Do not work in a single cell. They work in a group of similar cell. The group of a similar cell which is work together to perform a particular function is called tissue. For example, in animal muscle tissue is a group of muscle cell joined together with a specialized to contract so as a move body part. Thus, muscle tissue bring about movement in the body part. Animal in plant photosynthetic tissue is a group of photosynthetic cell and joined together with a specialized or to do photosynthesis and make food. There are many different type of tissue, both animal as well and plant. In fact, there are many type of tissue as well as cell. Organs. The bodies of an animal plant are made up the different types of tissue. The different tissue, the body of animal or a plant do not work separately. The different tissue combined together form organ. These are organ perform different tasks for animal or the plant. We can now say the organ a collection of different tissue which work together to perform a particular function on the body for an organism. The multicellular organism are made of many different organs which do not different job for organism. Some of the organs which are found in the bodies of animal are heart, stomach, brain, lungs, kidney, liver, intestine, mouth, eye, hand, etc. Some of the human organ shown in figure 19. The function of heart is pump blood around the body. The function of stomach digest food. The function of brain is to control all the parts of cell. Lungs are organ of breathing. The function of lungs are taken in oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide. The body of a plant also contain many organs. The various organs found in the body of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Some of the plant organs are shown in figure 20. Each of these organ perform a particular job for a plant. For example, root absorb water and dissolve mineral salts. For example, soil stem carries water and mineral for the root of the leaves and he prepared food. From the leaves of other part of the plant, it also holds branches and leaves. The leaf prepare for the plant the process of photosynthesis. The flower of reproductive organ which lead into the formation of fruit and seed. The fruit protects the seeds. Organ system. The various organs in an organism do not work separately. The organ work in a group interconnected organ which work together to do big job. To organism is called organ system. All the multicellular animal and plant have many organ system in their bodies to carry out various life process. For example, the various organ system of animal are digestive system, respiratory system, calculatory system, nervous system, excretory system, reproductive system, muscular system, skeletal system. Each organ system perform a specific function for the body. For example, the function of digestive system is break down the food into a simple substance which can be absorbed by the body. The main organ, the digestive system of the mouth or esophagus, stomach, a small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus are each organ are the digestive system perform different function such as ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and exhaustion, etc. The plant have a two main organ system of root system, the shoot system. The root system consists the various type of roots. Various shoot system is made up of the organ like stem, leaves, flower, and fruit, etc. Different organ of the organ system of the plant perform specific function of the plant. For example, root help to absorption of the water and mineral, and leaves are responsible food making photosynthesis. Organism. An organism in which exists of an organism made up of many different organ systems together perform a function is necessary to maintain life. For example, the human being organism. The human being made up of many different organ systems: the digestive system, respiratory system, calculatory system, nervous system, excretory system, reproductive system, muscular system, a skeletal system. All the organ systems work together to make a man be a living organism. A cat, dog, bird, neem tree, mango tree, rose plant, etc. All the living organisms which are made of many different organ systems working together. From all the above discussion, we come the conclusion: multicellular organisms are built like the cell make up the tissue, tissues make up organ, organ make up organ system, or finally organ system make up the organism. The organization within the living body cannot be depicted as follows: cell, tissue equal organ system equal organism. We are now in a position of the answer the following question.